Can the Aviva Saral pension plan help you secure financial freedom during your retirement? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating, single premium, individual immediate annuity plan. And some of the key features of the policy are you can make a one-time payment and receive guaranteed regular income for the rest of your life starting as early as the next month. You can also opt for the joint life feature to ensure a steady income for your spouse. You can address unexpected financial needs with the option to avail of a loan against the policy after 6 months. Now let us take a look at the benefits. So first is the death benefit. So if you have chosen option life annuity with return of 100% of purchase price, then on the death of the annuitant, the annuity payment shall cease immediately. The purchase price shall be payable to the nominee or legal heir. Suppose if you have opted for the joint life last survivor annuity with return of 100% of purchase price ROP, then on the death of the last survivor, what will happen is, first of all, on first death, like if the first primary or the secondary annuitant dies, then 100% of the annuity amount shall continue to be paid as long as one of the annuitant is alive. So on death of the last survivor, the annuity payment will cease immediately. The purchase price shall be payable to the nominee or legal heir. There is no maturity benefit under this policy. The survival benefit, suppose there is, if you have opted for the life annuity with return of 100% of purchase price, then annuity payments will be made in arrears for as long as the annuitant is alive as per the chosen mode of annuity payment. Suppose if you have opted for the second option, then annuity will be paid in arrears for as long as the primary annuitant or the secondary annuitant is alive as per the chosen mode of annuity payment. Now let us take a look at the advantage and disadvantage of investing in this policy. So the advantages are you can avail of a loan against this policy anytime after 6 months from the policy's commencement date. And this is also a convenient one-time investment that provides a regular steady stream of income. Now the disadvantage are annuity payments are subject to full taxation. The annuity does not account for inflation adjustment. There are limited options available for annuity selection. So these are some of the disadvantages you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to calculate the internal rate of return IRR of this policy to help us make an informed decision. So let us assume that a 60-year-old male invests 25 lakhs in this policy, selecting plan option 1, life annuity with a return of 100% of purchase price ROP. So this option provides an annual annuity of 1.56 lakhs, and upon the policyholder's death, the 25 lakhs purchase price is returned to the nominee. So we are going to assume a life expectancy of 85 years. The IRR for this cash flow is 6.16%. This return is suboptimal. Moreover, the annuity amount remains fixed throughout the policyholder's lifetime, making it inadequate to keep up with rising living costs and healthcare expenses during retirement. Another significant drawback of annuity plan is the locking up of funds. Once the plan is purchased, the corpus cannot be accessed except in specific situations or upon death. So the combination of low returns, a fixed annuity that doesn't account for inflation, and restricted access to fund renders this plan an inefficient choice for retirement planning. As we can see that this policy falls short of meeting a long-term post-retirement expenses. Let's explore alternative investment opportunities for your retirement corpus. First of all, there are several fixed income instruments that offer better returns than the Aviva policy, while also providing guaranteed regular income and greater liquidity. The examples include senior citizen schemes, which offers an 8.20% interest rate. Bank fixed deposit FD offers you interest rate ranging between 7 and 8%, and RBI floating rate bond currently is at 8.05% with a floating interest rate. So while these options provide you with higher returns, they too struggle to address rising expenses due to inflation. So for a sustainable inflation adjusted income, a diversified investment portfolio combining equity and debt is essential. So let us see an example where we are going to use a strategy for an inflation adjusted income. So here your retirement corpus of 25 lakhs generates an annual annuity of 1.57 lakhs under the Aviva plan. Instead, what we are going to do is this corpus is going to be allocated between 60:40 ratio between equity and debt. So 15 lakhs in equity for growth where the assumed returns are 12% per annum, and 10 lakhs in debt for regular income where the assumed returns are 6% per annum. The first year's withdrawal matches the annuity amount of 1.57 lakhs. To combat inflation, withdrawals increase by 6% every 5 years, so the debt portion is replenished periodically from equity to maintain regular payouts. By age 71, the equity portion is fully shifted to debt for greater stability. Despite this transition, the corpus remains intact, leaving approximately 44 lakhs at the age of 85. This strategy highlights the potential of a diversified portfolio to provide inflation adjusted income and ensure your corpus lasts a lifetime. The 60:40 ratio on asset reallocation can be tailored to your risk tolerance, allowing for a personalized approach to retirement planning. Now, let us take a look at what is the final verdict on our analysis on this policy. Is the Aviva Saral pension plan worth investing or not? So, a steady income stream during retirement is vital to maintain your lifestyle and manage unforeseen expenses. While the Aviva policy offers regular income, it may fall short of meeting your financial needs and handling financial emergencies effectively. The primary limitation of the policy lies in its rigidity. So, it provides a fixed annuity for life and restricts access to the corpus, making it challenging to address the rising expenses or unexpected financial demand. A diversified investment portfolio with regular rebalancing is a more flexible and effective approach to combat inflation over time, and it also has a high agent commission. By customizing an equity and debt allocation based on individual preferences and goals, this strategy can help ensure your corpus lasts throughout your lifetime and potentially beyond. So, retirement planning is a critical part of any financial strategy, but traditional annuity or pension plans may not be suitable for everyone.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.